Hey y'all, it's a haul. We're back with 3 hauls actually today. I went to 3 different places one weekend. I went to a thrift store, a charity sale, and an estate sale. I picked up a variety of items, some vintage, some new, some to resell, some for myself. And I thought this would be a neat little video to kind of show you the mix of items you can get at different places. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in watching, stick around and let's get into the haul. Alright y'all, so I'm going to start at the thrift store. And this is kind of an interesting haul because I picked up a brand that I never find at a thrift store that I stopped going to until recently. I put out a video saying never say never to a thrift store because I went back to a thrift store I'd been skipping for at least a year and found some amazing pieces that have really brought in a lot of money for me. A lot of them were brand new cocktail dresses from a boutique that donated them, and I have made some of them $150, $140 a piece. Definitely some great pieces I picked up. So I went back to that thrift store and I don't know what came over me. I never go into the athletic department. So if you're new here, I'm Victoria. I like to sell vintage and vintage inspired. I sell a lot of dresses, especially floral novelty prints, that sort of stuff. So athletics is not a section I usually go into. Usually if I'm picking up athletics, it's brands like Lululemon, you know, the big brands that we all know will sell for at least something, but not my favorite place to go. So why did I go? I don't know. But I did pick up a few pieces and I'll tell you why I got them. They won't bring a huge return on money, but a lot of people are looking for athletic wear. The weird thing is I love to go to the gym and I buy athletic wear for myself. So I don't know why I'm just not into sourcing it, but the first piece is this Nike bra top that has the, perforated front, so it's breathable. On the back, it has this peach band that says Nike. So really cute. I liked the gray and peach together and it was in really good condition. So I decided to get it. I also got these Nike leggings. They're just some cropped leggings. They had this really bright, vibrant waistband and they are new with tags. So I figured, well, whatever, they're new, so they'll definitely sell, and, I grabbed them. The last piece are these space-dyed Adidas leggings, and they, again, look to be in great condition. For my friend Bob, they are Adidas. She used to work there, so I have to definitely say it the correct way, along with the American way, but these are in great condition, and I just really like the space dye. This would be a style that I would definitely pick up for myself to wear to the gym. So I don't know, I grabbed them. This is a brand that I sell a lot. It usually sells between $30, $35, that range. But it's ASOS, and it's just this cute little wrap front dress. It's in this pretty yellow color, which is good for spring and summer with this ruffling. And again, probably get about $30 for it. But I like to pick up ASOS. I actually like to wear ASOS. This shirt I'm wearing now is like an oversized shirt dress, and it's ASOS. I actually have this piece for sale already in my Poshmark closet in a smaller size, and it is a 1990s Levi's denim vest. Very cute, same exact style, for sale in size small. And this one is a medium. So we used to wear slip dresses in the 90s with combat boots and a cute denim vest. That was all the style. I don't pick up tons of cabbie anymore. There's the new label cabbie tag, but I do pick up cabbie jackets because I get a really good return on my money for cabbie. So that is something to look out for. I also pick up some of the cabbie pants because they resell for a lot too. But anyway, this is just a cute cotton blazer. It's a mid-weight. It's in nice condition and cute style. Very easy to wear these cotton jackets because you can dress up an outfit but not have to be, stuffy. And the prize from this thrift store, which was the pinnacle of this shopping trip and was the last clothing item I picked up, were these Reformation jeans. Now, I never find Reformation in Mississippi. It just doesn't happen. So I don't know who owned these. I don't know who dropped them off, but they are an extreme high waist jean with a zipper that actually goes all the way from the ankle up to the thigh. So that is really cute. They're in excellent condition, no puckering, no anything. I mean, they don't look like they had been worn a whole lot. So yeah, Reformation in Mississippi, what the heck? Okay, I did pick up some shoes at the store, and the first ones, they are Etnie Agne. I think I said that right. I don't know, but they're these cute little vintage booties. They are all leather. They're called the pony boot. So they're little booties, and then they have the buckle with the adjustable strap that comes over. Really cute. I just need to condition the leather, and those should do really well. It reminded me of my friend Brittany over at Shop Foxborough. She picked up some recently in, I think, the same style. So anyway, very cute. Another brand that I really like to sell is Minnetonka. The sandals don't do as well as the boots, but these are really cute because they do have the fringe. They're an espadrille wedge. Really pretty clean on the bottom. I'm just going to take some acetone and clean them up, and they should look as good as new. Always love picking up shoes that I don't have to clean. That's a bonus. So got these Minnetonkas. And then another brand that I have not found in Mississippi before is Kelsey Dagger. And these are some cute square-toed. Now there is a little mark here and right here, but I'm going to do some magic and should be able to help that a little bit. It has a two-tone block heel with this furry back. Very interesting. These are a size 8, and then they have this leather wrap that wraps up the ankle. So I'll pop up a stock photo so that you can see what these look like, but super cute. They were priced kind of high. These were $10.99, but my overall cost of goods on the shopping trip was, I think, $6.12, so not bad. Okay, and last item from the thrift store was this vintage canister. I just really like this. It has these soldiers all over it, or maybe they are ringmasters from the circus. It was 99 cents, and I looked this up, and one just like this had sold on Etsy, and another one I think sold on eBay for $30. So he's cute. He's probably mid-century and made by, I don't know if you can read that, but it's Castro Plastics Company from Argentina. So very cute little jar there. I love to pick up mid-century hard goods, so I thought this would be a fun piece. All right, so now we're moving on to the charity sale. I went to a new charity sale that I'd never been to, but I think they do it once a month. And I was so excited because they had tons of vintage. So I think these little old ladies donated all their stuff. It's for a deaf center, and so there was so much vintage. Now my kids were with me. They were acting a little crazy. My mom bought them 2 vintage Beanie Babies from the 90s, which I'm actually gonna resell. Hashtag reseller life. Mom's gonna steal. Listen, my kids don't need any more stuffies. My one son has a collection. He has at least 60. I'm not exaggerating. Literally. It's crazy. So they're not gonna even miss these 2 little Beanie Babies from 1996 that my mom bought for them for 25 cents. So anyway, just didn't want you guys to think I was a cold-hearted mom stealing my kids' toys. So anyway, I didn't get to look as much as I wanted to at this charity sale, but I did find a piece I'm really excited about because it's for me. First, I'm going to show you the other 2 pieces. One, I definitely know I'm going to resell, and that is this 1970s polyester shirt. So it has the nice collar, totally reminiscent of the 1970s. It smells like an old lady. This shirt was actually manufactured by Sears. But I really liked the opium poppies that are on here. I thought those were so cool and really liked the floral pattern. It reminds me of Liberty of London, which I love too. So I picked it up, and you guys, these 3 items I got at this deaf center were 25 cents a piece. So needless to say, I'm gonna be heading back next month for some more vintage for sure. Especially if I can do it alone, because that means I can dig. Next item, I'm pretty sure I'm going to resell. I really bought it to resell, but then thought maybe you want to buy it because it definitely fits me. And I love yellow, but it is a brand called Society Hill, and it is this yellow short sleeve floral shirt. There's the floral pattern. It's got really pretty detailing at the shoulder, and of course it has a big bow, aka the pussy bow. But I really do like yellow, so I don't know. I might keep it, I might sell it. I think I'm gonna sell it. I like money more. I have too much stuff in my closet, especially because I know that I'm keeping this piece. So this is a vintage sweater. It's by the brand Work in Progress, and it's a plus size. It does have shoulder pads in it, which I'll probably take out, but it has this awesome floral, and it actually, like, they're big flowers that stick out. It is so cute. So the floral design goes all the way to the bottom, and then it has the floral detail on the sleeves also. I just love this 3D effect where it, you know, the flowers are actually attached. And then the floral continues on the back. So there is a couple of stains on it. You can see one right there. I am going to soak this sweater, but I'm totally keeping it. I'm not going to resell it. I was so excited to find this, and this was the first piece I found. So that made me want to dig for more. And they only charged me 25 cents a piece. I went ahead and gave them a whole $1, so that I donated the other quarter since I only got 3, but I'm definitely going back. After the charity sale, my mom wanted to hit an estate sale that was down the road, so we did go there, it was the second day of the sale, so they had sold a lot of stuff, but I did find a couple things there that I wanted to share with you, and they're both, one of them I don't know what I'm going to do with yet, but the first one was the Charles and Diana Prince and Princess of Wales. So obviously this was published when they were still married, before the scandal and before Diana died. So I just thought it was a really neat book to get, and the pictures in it are really cool. So I did buy it. It was only a couple $, since it was the second day of the sale, or maybe the third day of the sale, I don't know. But I do remember when Princess Diana died. I was in high school, it was 1997, and I can tell you exactly where I was. There was a coffee shop on the beach in Biloxi called Java Joe's, and all the teenagers would hang out there. We were hanging out, drinking some coffee. I'm sure I had a hazelnut cappuccino. That's what I always drank. That's what I still drink. It came on the TV that Princess Diana had been killed. So anyway, very sad. I don't know if I'm going to resell this. It is a first edition, and with the recent stuff in the news about her, interview with the BBC, I'm wondering if these are going to go up in value, but right now they're not reselling for tons, so I might keep it for a little bit and then decide what to do. And then also at the estate sale, you guys know I love mid-century modern, but I thought these lampshades were really cool. They are hand painted, and they have the little thistles on them, but I just thought they were really cool. They're black, and the detail is really neat in them, and they were twins, and they cost $5, so I thought I'll get them, and trying to find a place for them, and if I don't find a place for them, I'll just resell them, because #reseller. So that's what I picked up at the thrift store, the estate sale, and the charity sale. I hope you found this haul interesting and got to see a little bit of different items that I pick up sourcing at different places. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, to hit the button below and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up on the way out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
You're just in time. You just got in.
Bye, y'all.